So here's something I hear all the time from current members of the platform is they want to be able to rank for keywords. They want to be able to move up organically inside of search results. And they're getting phone calls. They get mixed messages from all the marketing companies out there. And they get mixed messages of, you got to do voice registration. You got to make sure you have this fancy website. You have to have all this. And I got tired of all the stuff happening inside of the realm of marketing and all the misinformation. It's why I do so many videos. So whatever you're hearing out there, I want to hear what you're hearing. I want to be able to tell you my version of it. Am I 100% right all the time? No, I'm not right. I don't have a big, huge team behind me going through and producing all kinds of data and doing a bunch of checks. We are a big team. We can do big things, but we are more of that small business mindset, and we want to keep that small business mindset, as most of our business owners that use our platform are small business owners. So one big piece I want to be able to do and say is, when you sign up with us, we listen to member feedback. We listen to what it is you have, or whatever problems you have and that you need solutions for. We listen to your thoughts, your needs, what works for you, what's not working for you, what you understand well and what you don't understand well, and we try to be able to put it into a way that makes it great for you. We designed this marketing tool, which is a simply be found marketing platform where you can log in. You can do your posts out to Google Business Profile. You can do it to Facebook. You can update your information. You can register. It automatically registers you for voice search. It puts you on all of the different networks that's going to matter for getting your business found. We also have a review generation tool that makes it simple for you to be able to get more reviews for your business. So if you're looking for a way to be able to grow your business and get it found by more local customers who are searching for the products and services you have to offer, then come check us out at simplybefound.com and see the difference today.